Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get more public watch hours on YouTube. First, understand that watch time is crucial for channel growth and monetization. YouTube prioritizes videos that keep viewers engaged, leading to more recommendations. Aim to create content that truly resonates with your audience, encouraging them to watch from start to finish. This engagement signals to YouTube that your videos are valuable, boosting their visibility across the platform. To maximize watch hours, focus on content that truly captivates. Start with strong hooks in the first few seconds to grab attention and prevent viewers from clicking away. Consider creating longer-form content, perhaps 8 to 15 minutes, that provides deep value without unnecessary filler. Also, organize your videos into playlists. This encourages viewers to watch multiple videos in a row, significantly increasing your total watch time and keeping them on your channel longer. Beyond creation, effective promotion is key. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve searchability. A well-crafted thumbnail is also vital. It acts as your video's billboard, enticing clicks. Share your content across all your social media channels to drive initial traffic. Engaging with comments and building a community also encourages repeat viewers, which naturally boosts your watch time over time. Finally, leverage YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what isn't. Pay attention to audience retention graphs to identify where viewers drop off, then adjust your content strategy accordingly. Consider collaborating with other creators in your niche. This exposes your channel to new audiences and can significantly boost watch hours. Remember, consistency and quality are paramount for long-term success. Also, for more great resources and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, make sure to check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.